To our special segment, Bulls versus Bear, and the stock in focus is Kaynes Tech. Of course, the stock saw a significant downtick, selling pressure in the initial hour of trade, and that was because of share lock-in coming. That's roughly 20% equity. And you see today also the stock is near its day's low level. But let's look at the Bulls and Bears case. Where does this stock stand? Is this very highly overvalued? What happens next? DIs have actually increased their stake from 17 to 24% in just one sequential quarter. That's pretty much interesting. And of course, they had a major fundraise also. That's why today the stock is down because of the share lock-in coming out. Also, let's look at the Q2 numbers, how it's actually panning out. The revenue had actually, you could say there was a miss on the estimates, but there was a beat on the margins as well as on the PAT. Order book and revenue guidance, that still remains strong. They have not changed their guidance going ahead, and because of that, there is a kind of a cheer coming in the street. Also, there's a considerable increase coming in the receivable days, and that is not good for a company as their working capital cycle, that gets impacted, and that is why I've kept it as a bear case. At overall net, the main functions, order book and revenue guidance still remain intact. Let's see last moment, the highest target price, where does it we have ICICI Direct, that's roughly having 8,900 rupees of buy call coming in for Kaynes. And on the other side for the bear case, there is a hold call, but the lowest target price below the current market price currently is 55.17 given by Systematics Group. So this is the entire bulls and bears for Kaynes Tech.
All right. Thanks so much, Sharad, for that. An interesting update on Kaynes Tech. The stock was under pressure. Let's pull up the chart. It is, in fact, pretty much at the low point of the day. Yes, it is about 5.3% lower. Chakri Lokpriya of LGT Wealth joining us on this side of the show as well. Chakri, very good afternoon to you. Before I come to you on some of the buzzing stocks today, though, let me go across to Kush to find out what he has to say about Kaynes Tech. Kush, any opportunities that you would see on the technicals for Kaynes Tech?
Hey, hi Alex. No, I would wait up. This downfall has been going on since early October. Hasn't really stemmed. Mild recoveries here and there, but they've been sold into. If at all I have to see a silver lining in all of this, it's that the 200-day moving average is at 5,800. So some support might kick in, but the massive volumes on the drop today that you're seeing suggest that it could test and perhaps even slip below that. So I wouldn't be too adventurous. In fact, if someone's looking for something in this space, Dixon's on the way to recovery, and so's PG Electroplast. So maybe those, but not venture, not be too adventurous on Kaynes Tech, at least at the moment.
All right.